I'm finally back in New York City. It was a long time that I was away, but I'm glad to be back home. And I'm trying a new thing this year. I let you know in the last video that I'm gonna be doing more plant-based recipes and trying to incorporate more of that into my diet. And so the way I'm doing that is through a service called Hungry Root. Yes, it's a little hard to say, Hungry Root. But the idea behind Hungry Root is a meal subscription service where they send you a box of goods once a week and you just have to mix everything together and you don't have to worry about a thing. You just eat your way to good health. If you guys are interested in trying Hungry Root, you're in luck. I have a $30 off coupon for you. Let's check it out. Most people have a New Year's resolution, maybe to lose weight or to do a cleanse or to maybe just try something new. This is one way that you can sort of baby step into more plant-based recipes. You can sign up to receive boxes once a week and you can pause anytime if you decide that that week you want to skip, or you just, if you're going on vacation, you can go ahead and pause your account. You can also give feedback on the recipes that they send you. Visually, everything looks so amazing. I don't know if you've seen some of these pictures before, but everything looks so delicious and I really want to try a lot of these recipes. This is an unboxing video, except it's New York City and I don't have any room for the box, so I already got rid of the box and everything's in the fridge. This box is called The Good Life and it is the bigger portion of items for the week. There is a smaller one, it's a little less expensive, and if you just want to try a couple of these items, then maybe that's the way to go for you. So in the box, you're going to get a little booklet like this, and this is filled with all the recipes that you're going to need for this particular box. So then we have all of our cut vegetables. Butternut squash fries, we have sweet potato pieces, the carrot pieces, and the shaved Brussels sprouts. One of the nice things about this is the convenience factor, not having to chop up all these vegetables, or I don't even have the tool to make these butternut squash fries, so I'm thankful for that. And then of course we have our salad mixes. Now these I probably need to use first because I feel like they might not stay fresh as long as some of the other cut vegetables, so I'm definitely going to be making these salads first. And the sauces are really what convinced me to buy this. A lot of vegan sauces have a million different ingredients and you're buying cashews and you're buying this and you're buying that and you're buying that and that and that. And so I just thought it would be a lot easier to try these recipes out firsthand with the sauces already assembled. So in this box we have an avocado crema, and what makes it creamy? Well, it's just blended avocado with a little bit of acid, some white vinegar, and some lime juice. Interesting. That's nice though, because it's really hard to buy fresh avocados this time of year. We also have the coconut curry. It looks like yellow curry. The base of it is garbanzo beans, so you're going to get that creaminess from a non-dairy source, the garbanzo beans. This is the chickpea Alfredo, and that's going to be delicious. Cashew cheddar. This is for the sweet potato mac, which is one of the top recipes in the Hungry Root family, and so I can't wait to try that one, and I will definitely be making a video on that recipe. This is what everybody at Hungry Root talks about, is the cookie doughs. They make these cookie doughs out of plant-based foods like chickpeas, and they can be eaten raw. If you do want to bake them, you can do that as well. So I'm excited to try this vanilla bean snickerdoodle cookie. It sounds excellent. And then a couple of other things that I got, some prepared quinoa, a couple of other things here for the yuba noodle dish. The yuba noodles are already cooked and seasoned in this vacuum seal pouch, so it's just as easy as warming things up with Hungry Root. Black bean salad, a lentil mix, crunchy carrot lentil mix, a crunchy carrot lentil mix. So 2 of the crunchy carrot lentil mixes. The last thing I have are these peanut butter coconut cookies, and yes, I did already try one, and yes, they are pretty darn good. So that is what I have in my Hungry Root box for this week. If you guys are interested in trying Hungry Root, you're in luck. I have a $30 off coupon for you, but you have to use the link that's in the description box below. You won't find this deal anywhere else. $30 off Hungry Root with the code below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos in 2018, including these recipes from hungryroot.com.